Okay, today we're looking at decimal numbers. These are the numbers that we all use every day, the ones that we're most familiar with. Decimal, the prefix deci or deca in some instances, in other situations, means 10. So the whole of our common number system is all based around the number 10. We have the use of 10 digits, 0 to 9, to build up the larger numbers, and each place value where we put the digits in relation to each other are all related by powers of 10. This makes it really easy to multiply or divide decimal numbers by 10 or powers of 10.
Okay.
So each place value is one power of 10 larger than the next, going this way. So this one, 10 to the 0, our units, which is equivalent to 1,
Okay.
times 10, 10 to the 1, our hundreds space, 10 to the power 2.
Okay.
So let's think about if we want to multiply this number by 10. What we actually do is promote each digit up the place value by 1. So we're going to end up, we always keep the decimal point in the same place. Here we've now got no digits after the decimal point, and if that's the situation, we don't have to write a decimal point in there.
Okay.
How about if we then multiply this again by 10? We're going to promote every digit up the place value again by 1 place. But here is our decimal point. We've now got to do something in this space here to distinguish this number from this one. So we have to add in a 0. Once we've done that, we don't need to show the decimal point.
Okay.
Let's think about taking our original one again and dividing it by 10. This time we're demoting each digit by a power of 10, so we're moving it that way. We've got to put the decimal point in because that's our reference point.
Okay.
If we now divide this one by 100, 100 is 10 to the power 2. We're going to demote everything 2 spaces.
Okay.
So this one is going to move 2 spaces this way.
Yep.
Here is our decimal point.
Yes.
We've got to show where this one is in relation to the decimal point. So again, we have to put in a 0.
Okay.
Although we've got nothing in front of this, we don't have to put something in front of the decimal point so long as we've got it there. But in written numbers, it can be very easy to just lose that decimal point if you haven't done so. So it is conventional to put another 0 to act as a placeholder.
Okay.
You'll notice that I've talked about promoting or demoting digits by place value. Some people will talk about multiplying numbers by moving the decimal point. I'd rather get away from that idea because the decimal point is our reference value.
Okay.
If we have a reference point in mathematics, we want it to stay the same.
Yep.
We don't want it to move. That'll become a lot more obvious when we start to do applied maths problems where we set a reference point or datum value and we do everything in relation to that. It's really important to think that if we have a reference, it stays unchanged.